Have you ever wondered what happens when Ferrari takes one of its most elegant Grand Tours and removes the roof? Well, the answer is finally here. Meet the all-new 2027 Ferrari Amalfi Spider, a breathtaking convertible that combines stunning Italian design, thrilling V8 performance, and everyday usability into one unforgettable package. Welcome to Future Wheels. The Amalfi Spider stays true to Ferrari's timeless styling, with sleek, flowing body lines and a beautifully sculpted silhouette that looks just as elegant with the roof up or down. Its lightweight fabric soft top opens in just 13.5 seconds, even while driving at speeds up to 60 kilometers per hour, letting you enjoy open-air driving whenever the mood strikes. New Rosso Tramonto paint, inspired by the Amalfi Coast at sunset, gives the car an unmistakable presence, while an active rear spoiler automatically adjusts for improved stability at high speeds. Under the long hood sits Ferrari's legendary 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8, producing an impressive 640 horsepower and 760 newton-meters of torque. Power is sent through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, launching the Amalfi Spider from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.3 seconds, before reaching a top speed of 320 kilometers per hour. Ferrari has also upgraded the engine management, braking system, and chassis technology to deliver sharper responses and greater confidence on every road. Inside, the Amalfi Spider blends luxury with cutting-edge technology. It's a true 2+2 Grand Tour, offering premium materials, advanced driver assistance systems, and enough practicality for weekend getaways, thanks to a surprisingly usable luggage compartment. The 5-layer acoustic soft top keeps the cabin remarkably quiet, making it just as comfortable for daily driving as it is for spirited coastal adventures. The 2027 Ferrari Amalfi Spider proves that you don't have to sacrifice comfort for excitement. It's fast, elegant, practical, and delivers one of the most exhilarating open-top driving experiences Ferrari has ever created. So, would you choose the new Ferrari Amalfi Spider over the Roma Spider? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Future Wheels, and we'll see you in the next one.